Hi, my name's Urooj and I'm the owner and photographer of Urooj Photography. Recently, I upgraded my Canon 5D Mark IV to the new Canon EOS R5, the mirrorless R5, and so I decided to go ahead and upgrade my 70-200 as well, since that was my favorite lens for the previous camera. So I am going to be opening up the new lens, and I wanted to show you what's inside and how it goes. Okay. No tape. I like it when there's no tape. So upon opening, I have the Canon limited warranty registration. Comes with a guide to your lens. And the first thing I'm seeing after that is this pouch. Not nearly as nice as the Canon, the older, the previous 70-200 that I had. The case for it was really nice with the double zipper. This is what we get this time. And to remove this cardboard, I'm just going to drop it over here. And a piece of, styrofoam. Okay, here we go. Magic moment. I'm going to lift this out. Here we go. And inside the box is also the new lens hood. I'm going to go ahead and move the box aside. There's just some styrofoam inside. Okay, remove this packaging. Really well packaged, protected. I'm excited. This new lens hood's kind of cool. Really stands out from the previous, lens hood, which was nice before, but this is extra nice in my opinion. All right. The inside of it doesn't have that soft matte feeling, but hopefully this is still just as good at, neutralizing some of that light that shines into the lens. All right, let's open this baby up. So this also comes with that tripod, monopod mount, which is nice when you have a heavy lens and I guess you're on the move or whatnot. I didn't find myself using it too much. It feels really nice. It feels solid. All right, well there we go. Got the cap off here. Back cap there. I see that there's the different modes here, different settings you can choose. It just feels really like a soft matte finish. I'm really liking this finish. I know it's kind of silly, but it's the details, It's the details. So I wanted to show you the reason why I couldn't move it was because it was in the lock position. So you just slide it down and, lo and behold. And then I also wanted to plug this on for you just to show you what it looks like. Boom. How cool is that? I mean, just, don't you just feel cool holding this? I feel cool holding this. I'm projecting a little bit. Also, what is this? I don't know. I feel really kind of illiterate right now. I don't know what this is for, but I'm going to find out. I also wanted to show you how to remove this ring. So just loosen it and then, gosh, I'm struggling with it a little bit. Ah, there we go. Whew. That was pretty solid on there. So there you go. This is I think this is different. I don't remember this being on the previous mount ring, but look at that. It's like handcuffs. Cool. I don't actually use this, so I'm going to keep it off to the side and place it safely in the storage bag. But yeah, there you have it. My new Canon 70-200. This one has the image stabilization, and it's the 2.8. Can't wait to plug it into my camera and play with it. I hope that if you're considering buying your 70-200 with the mirrorless technology, the RF, that this was helpful for you. And I'll share some images that I take with this new combination and see how they turn out and see how they compare to my Mark 5. Sorry, my Mark 4. All right, have a great day.